Welcome to this training video from Anglian Dental. Today we'll be talking about the single surgery vacuum system from Cattani, which is the MicroSmart. In this video I'll be talking through how to safely and easily install the lid onto the amalgam collector vessel that's been removed from the machine. So previously we removed the plug from the lid and set that to one side. This pot will be 75% full of slurry and probably 90% full of water. So to keep it safe and easy, how I tend to find the easiest way to do this is this first lip of the pot lid here, just below the O-ring. Aim to get that secured first. So the way I found easiest to do that is hold this pot securely, try and clip the back side of the rim in, and then as you can see there, that pot has been secured all the way around with the O-ring, the green O-ring level. So that's the first stage. The second stage, you want to just make sure that these lugs from the pot are offset to that of the lid, because when we push this down into position, we then do 1/8 of a turn to secure the lid to the pot. So what I'd suggest now is put the plug into the hole 1/4 of a turn anti-clockwise, and that will secure the plug. And then holding the pot firmly, using your thumbs, just press down with equal pressure onto the lid, and that will secure the lid in place. And then finally just 1/4 of a turn or 1/8 of a turn, and that will just perfectly secure the lid in place. And that is how you safely and easily connect the lid to the pot. If for whatever reason you don't have a spare pot, so you have to recycle the old one back onto the machine, it's not advised. It's always recommended to replace this pot every time the machine tells you to remove it. But if you do have to clean this pot out, you can empty the contents into a slurry container. The only thing is to be mindful of is when you're cleaning, this recess part here at the back has to be perfectly clean, as there is a sensor that shines a light through here to detect the level of the amalgam. So when you do clean it, with a soft bristle toothbrush, clean this section all the way to the very bottom. Because if the machine picks up a little piece of debris in here, you'll put the pot back onto the machine and it could throw an alarm, which would take the machine out of action. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any further technical questions, please reach out to one of our team.